Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruhu wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. Man yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa man yudlil fala hadiyalah. Asyhadu anna la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarikalah. Wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Welcome to my channel Qsharebd. Qsharebd is a channel of sharing knowledge in order to understand Quran. Today is our lesson 18. In this lesson we will discuss about Idaafa. Idaafa in Arabic is called the position. It is Arabic terms to express the position of things of a person. Like in equivalent in English is off. In Idaafa, in Arabic there is no off. To express this type of off, there is a different way to express the off in Arabic, and this is called Idaafa. For example, like this, the house of peace, there is no off, then how to express this off in Arabic? The house of peace means Darus Salami. Like one more example, a kilo of bananas means kilo u mauzin. Kilo means kilogram and mauzin means banana. And the daughter of Hassan, or Hassan's daughter, it is bintu Hassanin. The house of a man, or a man's house, baitu rajulin. The house of the man, or the man's house, baitu ar rajuli. This in this sentence, the first noun and second noun, there is a relation. The first noun is the things that possess the second noun, and the first noun is called mudaf, and the second noun who possess the things is called possessor, or mudaf ilahi. The relation between two nouns is, one noun is the owner of the things, and first noun is the things the owner possessed. So this is thing possessed mudaf and the possessor mudaf ilahi. The second term is called mudaf ilahi and the first term is called mudaf. This is two terminology. Now, if we notice that the second term, like here, there is a al, Darus Salam, As-Salami, and the second sentence, Kilu Mauzin, here there is no al. So the second term can be definite or it can be indefinite as well. But the first term, like here the baitu, the first term there is no al. Though the first term is no al, it is a definite article, definite noun. Why it is definite? It is definite by this rule of Idaafa rules. What is the rule? The rule is that this baitun is a house, is not all the house. The house has been specified with this possessor Hassanin. This is the house, this is the only house that is mentioning here, that this house belongs to Hassan. So this house baitu is a specific house, means it is a definite word. Though there is no al to indicate the definiteness of this word, it is definite word. It is the rules, Idaafa rules. Not only the rules, this is a common sense that this baitu is not all the baitu. This is the baitu for that the Hassan is belonging. the Hassan is long. So this word always, the first word is definite. We don't need to put all. This is the unnecessary all that we have to put if we want, but that doesn't need, because by default whenever we use this relationship, then by default it is definite now. And we cannot put double definiteness. The first word is always definite without all. And the first, as we know that whenever we put all, then that word cannot take two dhamma. As here there is no all, but it is definite. So this first term cannot take double dhamma. It always takes single dhamma. This is the rules. Now, if you notice that the second term everywhere is kasra, 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 kasra. Means this kasra actually indicate the off. This is the off between these two. So the second term will have always kasra at the last letter. This is the rules. Now we can summarize the rules of Idaafa. The mudaf rules is the first term is the mudaf. Mudaf never take all. First term cannot take all because it is by default it has all. Without all it is definite. So we cannot put all. The first term noun or mudaf is definite by Idaafa rules without all. The first term or mudaf cannot take tanween, and the first term mudaf can take any case ending based on the sentence record. First term can take fatha, dhamma, kasra. This depend before that what are the other things in the sentence. And the mudaf ilahi rules are the second term is the mudaf ilahi. The second term mudaf ilahi always take kasra. It cannot take fatha or dhamma. And second term mudaf ilahi can take all or can be without all. Means it can be definite or it can be indefinite. In a complex idaafa, only the last term noun will take all. This we will learn now. Now let's classify the idaf. There are two types of idaf. One is the simple idaafa, that where the relation happens between only two nouns. And another one is the complex idaafa, where the relation happens between more than two nouns. Like the simple idaafa, the car of the house. There are the two nouns, the car and the wife. The car of the wife. Sayyaratu is the car and Jaujati is the wife. Al Jaujati, the car of the house. This kasra is the of and Sayyaratu is the car. As the car, the first term cannot take al. So though here there is a the car, so you cannot put here al sayyaratu. There will be sayyaratu only without al. And second term, the wife, here we have put al because the second term can be definite or indefinite, anything. So sayyaratu al jauzatu jati, the car of the house. This is the simple relation between two nouns. One more example, the wife of the teacher. The wife is Jaujatu. Here the wife is Al Jaujati, but here this is the things possessed. The wife of the teacher. So here will be Jaujatu. And the teacher will be a kasra. And the D will be there, Al Mudarrisi. Jaujatu Al Mudarrisi. And if we want to say the teacher of the history. The teacher, but we cannot put the, only mudarrisu. We have to put mudarrisu only. And the history is al tariki, because second term always be kasra. And the al will be there because this can be al or without al. Mudarrisu al-Tariki, teacher of the house, history. These three is the simple idafa bit relation between two nouns. Now, if we make these three things together, if we want to combine these three sentences, like the car of the wife and the wife of the teacher and the teacher of the history, we can say like this: the car of the wife of the teacher of the history. Combining these three, we can make in a single sentence: the car of the wife of the teacher of the history. Here the first noun is the car. We have to start from this car. So this is the sentence. Sayyaratu. The car. We cannot put this the here because this is the things, the specific things. It is already specified. We don't need to put all. So Sayyaratu. Then of the wife. Wife is the wife is Jaujati because the second noun cannot take the, cannot take all. All will be put only the last noun and all other noun will be kasra. Sayyaratu, Jaujati, Mudarrisu, al-Tariki. This is the complex idafa and very simple it is. Only the first one is Dhamma or any other case depend on previous or what the things they have in the sentence. And all other sentence must be kasra. All things will be kasra, kasra, kasra. And the last word will take the al for indicate the definiteness. So Sayyaratu Zawzati Mudarrisu al-Tariki. The car of the wife of the teacher of the history. You can extend these things whatever you want. The car of the wife of the teacher of the history of the university of the Saudi Arab, whatever you want to say, you can extend like this. This is the complex idafa. Idafa is very simple. Just as there is no waf to express this waf, this rules has been developed, and this is very interesting and very simple. This is the end of lesson 18. Thank you for watching.